Hi, John Miller here with HIVE Lighting, and today I wanted to show you our new addition to our softboxes, our Small Paradome. So our Paradome comes in a small carrying case, which includes a grid, a front diffusion, and the softbox itself, including a pro photo mount. To create the softbox, all you need to do is press down. Once all the ribs have popped into position on the softbox, you can flip it over and just make sure that every single one has engaged. Take your diffusion and put it on the front of the softbox. Once you have your soft diffusion installed, if you want, you can add a control grid. This grid will help control any spill light. Once you have the grid installed, merely slip the softbox using the pro photo mount onto your light. Now that you have your Small Paradome softbox mounted to your light, you've got a great soft source that works as both a key or a fill. To learn more about HIVE Lighting and see more of our how-to videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website, hivelighting.com.